Twitter has added a new feature that allows users to follow topics so they can see the most relevant tweets about subjects they are interested in. I am Harry Viral from Harry Viral YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to follow topics on Twitter. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Twitter app. So I'm here in my Twitter app and tap follow, or some topics if you don't see this window, you can tap your profile photo and select topics. Now you will see a few different topics categories. Tap one you are interested in. Now you will see all the topics within more topics. Now see the different topic categories. Tap one you are interested in. Now you will see all the topics within the categories. Some of these also have subtopics within them. When you see a topic or subtopic, you can see here on more, click on more topics, and you can see the just as you like. If you want to, you can select which of you like, and even you can choose anyone. So it's your choice, you can choose it, and you can within them you can see a topic or subtopic you want to add to your timeline. Tap follow, look through all the categories. You find any other topics you might be interested in. When you are finished, tap done at the bottom. Once you have started following the topics, you will see the refresh ones, and you will see the relevant tweets about that subject on your timeline. Tweets from topics will appear with the topic tag at the top. This helps differentiate them from tweets posted by users you follow. If you decide you want to unfollow a topic, tap your profile image in the top left corner, then select topics and go to here and unfollow. If you want to unfollow which you want to unfollow, you can do one by one and unfollow it. To confirm, tap unfollow at the bottom and done. It's almost done. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'll love it too if you hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put our great new tech tutorials like this every day. So thank you so much.